The roof on Tropicana Field came clear off, blew the roof right off the. No one is mourning that. That's one thing, one loss we're not mourning. That field was gross. That stadium was gross. It sucks too because I love the Tampa Bay area. I managed to go to one game there. One of the nasty boys would get on the big screen, the jumbotron, to get the crowd psyched up. I was like, you are in Tampa when one half of the Nasty Boys, prominent WWE Tag Team Champions in the early 90s. Two guys who, looking at them, you're like, you wrestle and you're good and you win and you get a belt. The Nasty Boys. Ooh, them Nasty Boys.